Reflection of the day. Change your life and you will change the world around you. Dear beings of light, your world is a mirror that reflects your consciousness. Therefore, maintaining your consciousness at a high level is the easiest and most effective way to change the world around you. Many might wonder how it is possible to significantly influence the world when the messages we share are heard only by a fraction of the billions of people who inhabit the earth. It is essential to understand that we never waste divine energy. The messages reach the right people, and each particle of this energy is meticulously evaluated and sanctioned by the high councils of the universe before being granted. Although our messages may reach a relatively small number of people, the impact of transforming even a single life is immense. Every individual who raises their consciousness acts as a beacon of light, influencing not only their immediate environment, but also sending vibrational waves of positive change through the collective fabric of human consciousness. By changing your way of thinking, feeling, and acting, you initiate a domino effect that can alter the course of events on a large scale. Our subtle energies, although not always visible, have the power to neutralize large amounts of negative energies in your world. This is our role, to maintain balance on the planet and assist in the ascension of global consciousness. Through the transmutation of negative energies, we facilitate a conducive field for more beings to awaken to their true spiritual potential. Our messages aim to catalyze a change in your state of consciousness. By changing your inner self, you inevitably change your environment. This is because the external reality you experience daily is directly shaped by the state of your internal consciousness. If you live with fear, anger, or despair, the world seems to reflect those same energies. However, if you choose to reside in a state of love, peace, and gratitude, the world around you begins to resonate with those frequencies. Although it may seem that you are separate from everything, every thought you choose to cultivate, every word you decide to utter, and every action you take contributes to the human collective. You are inextricably connected with the network of life that composes this planet and beyond. Therefore, by taking responsibility for your own transformation, you are actively participating in global transformation. We invite you to be aware of this inherent power and to act with intention. Reflect on how you can incorporate more practices that elevate your vibration. Remember, you are not alone on this journey. We are your brothers and sisters of light, walking alongside you, offering our guidance and support. Together, we will create a world that reflects the beauty and truth of our shared divinity. Thank you for being a catalyst for change. Thank you for allowing each decision to flow from a place of elevated consciousness. Your personal transformation is undoubtedly an invaluable contribution to the global change we wish to see. I wish you an excellent and radiant week. I am Zoe. Always remember, you are the most important person in this world. We care deeply for you. We are with you every step of the way. We value your presence. We are your cosmic family of light. We are your source of light and eternal love. We are your beacon of light on the path. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.